Hey, this is Scott, day in the life of a service technician, and today I am cutting the grass. So it got a little long, and my dog is rubbing himself in the grass. I'm sure, hopefully he's not rubbing himself in something smelly, and we'll check after we get done. Now, this is hilarious. When I try to cut the grass, he barks hysterically at the lawnmower. Scout, say hey to everybody on the camera there, buddy. Have my little fellow there. And even when it's not running, he'll bark at it. I'll be pushing along here, and it just goes crazy. Scout, is that lawnmower going to attack you? Hey, look here. Anyway, it's kind of funny. Day in the life of a heating and air conditioning tech. I don't just do heating and air conditioning systems. I do a lot of other stuff too. So, anyway, just thought this was a funny video. My dog barking at the lawnmower. So, see you next time.